it's Chellbee. I'm the blogger behind Chellbee.com. Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, welcome. I hope you stay a while. Anyways, for today's video, I am going to be telling you a little bit about 5 women in the Bible that I think everyone should know, especially if you're a woman. So let's hop right into the video. So the first woman that I think every woman should know is Sarai, also known as Sarah, or rather later known as Sarah. And you can read more about her in Genesis 16. As always, you guys, don't worry about jotting these down. If I go too fast for you, a blog post will be listed below to Chellbee.com, where you can find the full list of women along with where you can find their stories in the Bible. So number 1 would be Sarai, later known as Sarah, which she can be, you can find out more about her in Genesis, and it's Genesis 16 in particular. I love the story of Sarai. I actually talked a little bit about her and Abraham, or Abram's story, on a previous video, Silence Yourself, from the Morning Coffee with Chellbee series. So if you haven't caught that, definitely want to catch that to hear a little bit about her and Abraham's journey together. The second woman, which I've also talked about on my Bible Study with Me video, is Ruth. And like I said before, I just love the story of Ruth. She's just so humble, so obedient, so faithful, and there were just so many things I learned from her story. The third one is Esther, which I'm going to be doing a Bible Study with Me video on soon. And I just loved her wisdom. I liked how she was willing to really go for or bring about change with such faith and bravery. So I'm definitely looking forward to talking more about Esther and her story. So those are 3. The fourth one is Leah, and you can read about her, and I'm sorry, I'm rambling and talking kind of fast. You probably can hear the little one and see her hand in the background. So I'm trying to hurry up before she gets fussy. But the fourth lady is Leah, Genesis 29. I think what I learned from Leah was just beauty isn't everything. You know, beauty is fleeting, just like that Proverbs 31 verse. And I would say the main takeaway from her was that, you know, we may not always get what we want from God, but we do always get what we need. And that was the main thing I took away from Leah's story. And my last but not least lady is Mary. And you can find out more about her in Luke, in particular Luke 1. Her faith, to me, just exemplified what it means to have faith the size of a mustard seed. I just feel like there are very few people in this world who could be a virgin and be told by an angel that they're going to birth a child, and who, without blinking, without thinking, just at the drop of a dime, just accepted it, was, you know, feeling so blessed and so humbled for the opportunity to serve. And I just feel like her faith just exemplifies an amount of faith that is immeasurable. Okay, but now that I'm done rambling and talking really fast, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I'm trying to keep it consistent, you guys. Just bear with me as I adjust to being a new mom and trying to handle the vlog and baby. Anyways, enough about me, enough about the 5 women. Like I said, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you have not already, make sure you click the like button. Don't forget to subscribe. And as always, you guys, stay blessed, be safe. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.